Morning, everyone. Today we'll start end of year assessment review. So every day we'll have video about some question, just review for some questions. So please, what I need from you, taking notes and send back your notes, and it will be graded as exit ticket or do now or quiz. Okay, so every day you will watch the video and send me back the notes that you taken from my video. Okay, that's your task every day. We will start today with we are going to solve some question together. The first question is solving linear equation. As you see, it's simple question. So what are we going to do is how we solve this question. Okay, let me try to use the pen. Yes. The first one is 5y minus 2 equal what? Yes. We are going to distribute here 3 times y and 3 times 2. 3 times y is, yes, 3y. 3 times 2 is what? Good job, it's 6. What next? So what are you going to do is just combine like terms. So you are going to subtract 3y from both sides. So if you subtract 3y from the left hand side, so you will have what? Yes, 2y minus 2. If you add 2 to both sides, you will get what? 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so we have to add 2 to both sides and then divide by 2. So y equals 4. Your solution here is what? Y equals 4. This is a simple question, I know. Just introduction for your. So now, what he asked for is what we have here. We have E equals 3 pi over 2ms. And he wants to solve for m. So now, how we solve this equation? How we solve for m? Do you remember lateral equations? Yes. You have to multiply, cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you will find that 2ms times E equals 3 pi. We want to solve for m, so we want to separate m. So you are going to divide by 2 and s and e. You want to cancel out this part, so you have to divide by 2se. Now you can cancel it out, so you have m equal this part, 3 pi over 2se. Okay? So it means solve for m or x or y or z or s. It means you have to separate this variable in one side and the other variables in the other to the other side. The next question is finding limits. We have two limits here. The first limit is f of x tend to 4. And if you look to your graph, when x approach 4 from left, it go to what? Yes, this point. What's the value of y here? It's 1. So from left, it's approach 1. What about from right? Yes, it's approach also what? 1, the same point. So your answer here, the limit of the function equals what? 1. The second part is when x approach 3. So this is a 3, this is a 3, and from the graph, if you from left, the function approach what? Infinity. And from right, it's approach what? Infinity. So the limit here is unbounded. Unbounded. So it's the limit doesn't exist. Okay? Does it make sense? Okay? Okay, perfect. One more question. We are looking for to find the limit of f of x when x approach 2. So if you look to this function at x approach 2, from left it's going to what? Yes, if you look to your function, going to infinity. From left, going to infinity. From right, going to what? Yes, going to, yes, 3. So from right, approaching what? 3. So the limit doesn't exist. This is the limit when x approach 3. Okay, this is doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. So now I found the at 2, sorry. This is for 2. I'm sorry. This is when the function approach 2. So it's what? Doesn't exist. Okay? What next? Approach 3. So at 3, if you look to the function from left and right, both approach what? Yes, the same point, which is what? 2. So the function here, the limit equal what? The limit of the function at 3 equal? Yes, 2. Okay? Please review this question, send back your notes, and we will have another. Every day we will have review. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.